Hi guys, just back in here. A wee quick video for you. I have been using some of my really old Hunkydory kits that I found. I showed you the other week there that I had got loads of Hunkydory kits 3 years ago. Well, these ones are this year's. These ones here are years old. There'll be more than 5, I would think, anyway. And then I've got a adorable, scoreable, a spring one, a half-used one, ice creams. That one there, I really loved that one. That was Believe in Yourself, Enchanted Realm. Lovely colours in that. And that's a this year's one. That's only a couple of months old, that one. Anyway, like these kits here, I was using them there, and you get 1 sheet of toppers and 2 sheets of cardstock that matches it, and that's all that was in the kits. So I just thought this is my thinking. I've got loads of these pizza box type things, and the other day I made an I used an 8x8 card, and I made a 6x6 box, right? But you know yourself, when you make a 6x6 card, the envelope's slightly bigger than the 6x6, right? So they don't fit in the box that I made, but I've got loads of these boxes and they're about 7x7. So what I'm going to do is make up a load of Christmas cards, and I'm going to put them in here, and I'm going to do them maybe half a dozen in a box, whatever fits. And I'm going to just give them away. Just for wee Christmas gifts, or, you know, Advent gifts or something like that. So here's a look at some of the cards that I have been making today. The first 3 or 4 are from 1 sheet of toppers. So I've made a couple of rocker cards. Sending bear hugs. And this one, Let It Snow. Some of these have still got inserts and things to put in. So that's another rocker card. So that's the 2. And then this is just a plain card, but it's got the pop-out front. So that's why I'm putting them in a box, because you really need a box to put these kind of things in. That's got a verse in. And that's the verses that I done the other day. Remember I made some wee books and that the other day? Well, that's them. I need one more 6x6 envelope, which I'll find. And this was the very last one. The only topper I had was that wee bit. So that's a twisted easel. And that's for that one. So they 4 are out of 1 sheet of toppers. And 2 bits of backing card. But I've got loads of the backing card in the bin. Because once you use it, it doesn't really go with anything else. Right, this was the stragglers off a topper sheet that made this last card here. And this was the main bits of the card. That's that card there. 1, 2... That's another one, a wee Z fold. On the Z fold, I put my greetings and things on the back, where you can write your whatever to and froms. I put them on the back, so that'll go on the back with that one. And this one here is and I put my verse in there. Can I get that open there? Yeah. So, that's 4 for that one. I've just bent that. I'll fix that. Sometimes these wee things happen in your card making, and don't stress about them. It's only a piece of paper. Right, this was 1 sheet of toppers, but it's decoupage, as you can see. So you were only supposed to make 1 card, but I split it up and done a couple. So I've done a twisted easel there with that one. And I love that embossing folder on that rainbow card. It's just lovely. So that was that one. And then I've done a normal easel, just like that. And that was with half of that other thing there. Decoupage sheet. Speak properly. So there you are. That's my first load that I've done. I'm going to go on and use some of the rest of the kits, but I've just had a Temu delivery that I'm just uploading, so I'm going to try some of that, I think. Okay. Again, people, if you like these videos, I'm absolutely loving you liking these videos. I love the comments. I answer everybody back. If you like my channel, guys, please give me a wee like and subscribe. Tell your friends where I am. Share the love. And I'll see you all again the next time. Bye.